Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow VR helper services permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on special access. Now here in special access, scroll down and click on VR helper services. Now here it will show you the list of apps that can use the VR helper services permission. So to allow or deny the VR helper services permission, turn on or off the apps buttons. So that's how you can allow or don't allow VR helper services permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.